Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the speaker not working on your TCL 605. So first, what we want to do is power up our phone and check the volume levels in the settings. So open up the settings. Here we have to be in the main page. Scroll a bit down until you see sound and vibration. And here we need to make sure that our volume levels are all right. So as you guys can see, we have the ring volume, notification, media, and alarm volume. So make sure they are at least like 50%. If your speaker is not working, then any sound will basically do. And now what you guys can do is clean the speaker grill with the soft brush. So for example, here we have the speaker grill and we can clean it, and after we clean it, the sound should be here. If it's not the hardware issue, then the sound should be here. If not, then it might be the software issue, but we'll get back to that later. And for now, what we can do is disable Bluetooth to ensure that there's no audio being rerouted to any other device like your headphones. So make sure that Bluetooth is turned off in the settings. And after that, what you guys can do is update your software to fix any glitches that are with the speaker. So scroll a bit down in the settings until you guys see system right at the bottom, and click the first one up here, which is the system update. As you guys can see, it's checking for updates automatically and my system is up to date. After I check for updates, then there will be no changes. If you do not run the latest version of the TCL UI, then that's on you and you should absolutely upgrade it. It's very good, and also it can fix a lot of glitches, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.